Now, despite me actually saying I was going to do these on the car, I've since decided that as I'm going to coat them, I want to get rid of this and get it more correct. As we've seen on the car, we don't have this angled slope. So what I've done, sometimes you have to get a little bit creative, is I have an aluminium square bit of stock underneath here. I've now clamped down the middle sill to it, so I'm going to flatten it off and then I'm going to dolly it round to give me, it should be as close of a finish as I'll need. Doesn't have to be pretty, we won't see this. So, but I'm going to do it now rather than later. Now the stock runs all the way along here, and to keep it in a straight line I have the lip of the middle sill tucked in quite nicely, but you can never be too sure, but we'll be able to get into the ballpark at least. And so, should do this for now. A little bit light here, but it's going to be easy enough to tack up and down. Height looks okay. Job's a good one. Just a quick word in case you were wondering what I was using. Is the edge informer. You find that these things turn up and scrap all the time, and they're just can be such fantastic pieces. This one already has holes in it, so I can actually use the other mating piece which I keep on the pin bashing bench over on the corner, which I'm probably in the way of, over in that corner. And it's also this width. How can I do it without, let me just take the camera out. One of the other very, very useful parts, because one of the things I don't have is I don't have a box folder or a press brake, so everything I need to bend or fold has to be done by hand. And this particular piece is just about perfect for the engine bay channel. So never throw out the scrap, especially if it's really thick.